Hi there, and welcome to this short Border0 demo. In this video, I'll demo the Bring Your Own S3 bucket feature. This allows you to configure where session recordings should be stored and allows you to maintain ownership and control over your session recordings. So in the Border0 admin portal, I'll browse to organization settings and select recording storage, and then from here on we can configure the S3 details. In my case, I will use the provided CloudFormation stack to help me set things up correctly. And this CloudFormation stack will create the S3 bucket and the required IAM role and policy, making things super easy. So all I need to do is provide a name for the new S3 bucket, an external ID, which is sort of like a shared secret. And that's it. Now we just wait a minute for AWS to create all of this, and I'll speed up this part of the video. And so after that, we can go to the Outputs tab and simply copy paste the required values into the Border0 portal. So I'll start with the bucket name, then the role ARN, and then the external ID. And that's it. Now we can test it. So I'll go to the verify button and I can see that green banner saying that we can indeed talk to your bucket. So that's great. So now let's test it in the real world. So I'm going to just do a test connect to a example socket, in this case a Docker container somewhere. Let me execute some commands. That's great. So now let's see if it shows up in the session logs page. And I should be able to see my new session, including a replay button. And that means that I was able to now also read from this bucket. And we can do session replays. So that's great. Now finally, let's double check this in the AWS portal. So I'll go to S3, find the newly created bucket and validate that there's files in there. And indeed, I can see there's a folder per organization and then per socket showing me all of that. So this allows you to maintain ownership and control over your session recordings using your own S3 bucket. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.